What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Ray Boss, back again with another video. Today, of course, we got ourselves 3 blind bags. These are the blind bags from Target that are 10 bucks. You should get, supposedly, you're supposed to get $25 worth of value out of it. I got a horror one, horror and sci-fi, a gamer one, and a pop culture one. With that being said, let's get right in it. I think I'm gonna go horror first, of course, because you guys know that's all I care about. And if you guys do hear the fan, it's my bad. School bus. I'm not too sure. It's from Trick or Treat, the movie. You gotta open it cautiously. Yo, that's tight, bro. That is just terrifying. It's a pin set of basically all the characters from Trick or Treat, the movie. I like that. This is how Zanini should do those boxes. Just have them all. Cool little thing. Let's go. Emblem Platch, Galaxy Quest, Eddie Gore. Not too sure what this is. Galaxy Quest. It's like a patch. Cool, pretty cool patch though. If I ever get like one of those jackets. This looks like I'm not too sure. It looks like I wonder if you hold your actual can. That's dope. It's like it's supposed to be like, God, I can't think of it. Futuristic ID technology. Yeah. And then last but not least, I am not too sure. I think it's like I can see the alien in here, right there, and then a guy. So I guess it's like a little Lego set or something. I don't know. Let's get into the gamer box. That did not open as I thought. There we go. Wow, a lot of stuff in here. Is this a computer mat? If so, I really need one. Bruh. That's pretty cool. It's a computer mat. That's nice. It's very nice. Who would think it would come in a bag like this? What is this? This is from Black Ops, right? It's like a I don't know, coaster? Yeah, it's a coaster. That's cool. Sierra Harry saying, "Ooh, look at that." Alright. Wait, it's supposed to go on something. It goes on something. Oh shoot. 2 coasters. Coaster buddies. This is supposed to go over here. Anyone understand this one? It's supposed to go like this somehow. But it's not really snapping on. There you go. Ooh, and then last but not least, I have no idea. Team Fortress. I didn't even play it, so. Cool. Now we're on to the pop culture. What could be in pop culture? Literally no idea. So this looks like it has something to do with Transformers Bumblebee. Some type of pen. Let's see. These are tight. Yeah. Got yourself a very shiny Transformers and a Bumblebee. His OG car he arrived in. I have no idea what it is. What is this? Can't see that. I don't know what this is. I don't. And we got this that I really don't want to unbox. And then whatever this is. Ooh. The Power Rangers collectible. With that being said, you guys know I have to open it. God. Okay. This is 17 plus. Jeez. Come on. I really don't want to unbox. It's a Yellow Ranger. Oh, that's kind of tight. That's tight. It's like a miniature version of the Yellow Ranger with her coin. Her power coin. That's cool. I respect that. I really don't want to open this, but for you guys, guess I have to. And I don't know. Looks like it's gonna be like a flag or something. Bruh. Los spoils, hermanos. Yippee! Oh, dropping everything. This is dope. This is dope. Wow. Wow. I'm lost for words. I got more of these blind boxes, or blind bags, but you just gotta wait till next time. Your boy Ray Boss out.